Hey there, Sharon here with simplycanning.com, and I have another canning question and answer for you today. So this question is from Gwendolyn. She asks, I have just canned beef stock. The Ball Canning book suggested to add some beef cubes for better flavor, and it worked good. I'm ready to make some chicken stock. Can I add chicken bouillon cubes to my chicken stock? Ball does not state it, or I couldn't find it. I checked your recipes and I couldn't find it there either. I can't see why not, however. I wanted to ask because you never know. Yes, Gwendolyn, as long as you are using just a bouillon, yes, you can add it to chicken stock as well. It's not on my website simply because I just don't do it. I do, however, use beef bouillon cubes when I am canning my venison. I don't tend to make venison broth, but if I were making a beef broth, I would also use some bouillon cubes in there. Either one works great. It does enhance the flavor. Just my only warning is just be sure you're using just a bouillon. It doesn't have to be the cubes, but it needs to be a bouillon. Sometimes it'll say bouillon, but it's more of like a soup mix, like an onion soup mix or something. Make sure it doesn't have fillers and things like that. But yes, chicken or beef bouillon is great in either canning broth, or you can also add it to your meat jars if you want. So I hope that was helpful. I will leave links below, so check them out, and you guys have a great day.